We have already completed chapter 5 of your Kssm, so maybe today we just go through the entire chapter quickly. In this chapter, you learn about water and solution. Under water, you learn about all the physical characteristic of water. So you learn about the boiling point, 100 degrees Celsius, freezing melting point is 0 degrees Celsius, and then if there is an addition of impurities, what will happen to the boiling point? It will increase, whereas your freezing or melting point will decrease. The color is colorless, the density is 1. Okay, and then you learn about evaporation. But before you learn about evaporation, you learn about cohesive force, adhesive force. Cohesive force means attraction between the same molecules, whereas adhesive force means attraction between different molecules. Okay, and then you learn about capillary action. Capillary action happen in plants where the water gets absorbed from the root to the leaf. Then you learn about evaporation. Evaporation and boiling got difference. You learn about that. Where boiling happen at 100 degrees Celsius, evaporation happen at any time. At any temperature. Evaporation happen very slow, but boiling happen very fast. Okay, and boiling happen, it includes all the surface of water molecules, whereas evaporation only the surface water molecule. Boiling the entire water molecule. So you learn the differences. Then you learn the factors that affects the evaporation. You must use the right term. Surrounding temperature, humidity, exposed surface area, air movement. So what will happen? Like for example, when the temperature increase, evaporation increase. When the humidity decrease, the evaporation will increase. When the exposed surface area increases, more surface area, very fast get evaporated. When there is movement of air, very fast it get evaporated. So you must know the explanation. Okay, then after you learn about solution. Solution got 3 different type, and solution means what? It's where a solute plus solvent you get a solution. So then you learn about dilute, concentrated and saturated solution. Okay, and then after that you learn about solubility. Solubility means the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a solution, in a 100 ml solution. Okay, so you learn about the factors. You learn about the 3 factors. I notice in assignment many of y'all are not using the right word to tell what factor. You must use the right word. If you're using wrong word, sorry, no marks. Okay, use the right word. It's the temperature of the solvent, the stirring rate, or you say the rate of the stirring, the size of the solid. Okay, Ken? And then we learn about the water purification method. We learn about filtration, boiling, chlorination, distillation. So you learn what it can remove, what it cannot remove. Like for example, filtered water should not drink at all, because filtered water means I only remove big suspended particle, but I cannot kill my microorganism. I cannot remove small or fine suspended particle or dissolved particle. Okay, boiling, it's okay, it's still good because can kill the microorganism but cannot remove any suspended particle. Okay, let's say I take the water directly from the well or from the soil. If you are just drinking water from the tap, you boil, okay, that is good. And then you learn about chlorination, where it can only kill the microorganism. Distillation is considered the best of all this because it can kill microorganism, remove all the suspended particle. But one problem is we don't advise you to drink distilled water because got no dissolved mineral, it get removed. Okay, and then you learn about water supply. Water supply, you learn about all the steps whereby it will go from filtration, and then it goes to oxidation, you go to coagulation. In coagulation, you learn about 2 chemicals that is added. Then you learn about sedimentation, filtration, chlorination, fluoridation. So this is all that you learn in your chapter 5. Okay.